Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest of the Travel with Clem Brands. Today, we are looking at a blockchain engineer position at a company called Anchor. Now, Anchor was founded in 2017. Wow, it's pretty new. And the founding team and headquarters are based in San Francisco. Anchor has a distributed team of over 150 people over the world, operating remotely and from offices in San Francisco, Shanghai, Moscow, and Amsterdam. The next phase of the internet is based on distributed networks, which makes the new generation of platforms, applications, and services more private, secure, reliable, and censorship resistant. So their mission is to make Web3 easy to use for everyone. So as the blockchain engineer for the back end at Anchor, you'll be responsible for designing, coding, and implementing business applications, integrating blockchain with their platforms, work with APIs and microservices, design and verify cryptographic protocols, define requirements, and effectively communicate technical details via documentation and demonstration. They want somebody who has a proven track record of developing modern, secure, scalable, and complex applications with practical experience with crypto tokenomics, blockchain consensus and protocols, back-end experience in WASM is desirable, experience with JSON, and other technical software. So if it is within your skill set, then you simply want to include your first and last name, email address, phone number, upload your resume or CV and your cover letter, link to your LinkedIn profile. And here where it says website, you can include a link to your portfolio. Like if you have developed any technical applications, website, or done that kind of work, simply include a link to your portfolio here and you submit your application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, drop a comment below to let me know what your skills category is so that my team and I can keep looking for jobs that fit your skills category. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye. Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest for the Travel with Clem Brands. The company Anchor is looking for a software engineer for the gaming industry. So your responsibility as a software engineer will be translate requirements into complicated but clean and efficient code, construct the base of the engine on which the game will run, produce prototypes of gameplay ideas and features, develop schedules and determine milestones, generate game scripts and storyboards, animate characters and objects. Oh, that actually sounds like a fun job to do for somebody who has experience in animation and the game industry. Like, if I had that experience, I would definitely love doing this. Like, literally, somebody is paying you to animate characters and objects. It sounds like a lot of work as well, but I guess people who get into the gaming industry are really, really passionate about that, and it turns out to be fun. So it's almost like me sharing online jobs, like it's fun. All right, so for you to succeed in this role, you will need to have a proven working experience in full cycle game development, hands-on experience primarily with Node.js, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, experience in using Redis and MariaDB with Express.js and Vue.js, high-level knowledge of REST APIs and libraries, and ability to solve problems creatively and efficiently, and Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Games Technology. So for you to succeed in this, for you to apply for this job, simply include your first and last name, email address, your CV, resume, and upload a cover letter, include a link to your LinkedIn profile and your website as well. If you have worked in the gaming industry before and you have done different projects, instead of a link to your website, if you don't have any, you can include a link to your portfolio showing the different projects that you have done in the past. In my signature course, Making Money Online for Beginners, I teach actually my clients how to create online job portfolios specifically for their skills category. So if you are interested in joining the course and finding more about how you can join, the link to the waitlist will be included in the description box of this video. Until then, see you in the next video, and I hope you take action and you go forward and apply for this job. Take care. Bye.